What is good, YouTube? We're back again to make the Fluffinutter or the Fluffinator. It's by oh, what's his face? Matt Stoney. I got the inspiration from him. So this is how we're gonna make it. Okay, first you need 2 breads. Okay, we got the light style. You know what I mean? Like it's only 45 calories each for bread. It's all right, but you can actually get those big, thick Texas breads. You know, they're better. And we got the peanut butter. You know, the you need the powder ones because you know you don't want this stuff where it's like tablespoons, like I don't know, 210 calories. It's bad. So we got the bread. Ooh. All right, got the bread. The peanut butter is already measured, so we're just gonna put. You need fluff, all right, which is marshmallow cream. Great. I don't like it. Just measures. So you can see a little chocolate because you know I had some a little while ago. So 45 calories for about 13 grams, and this stuff is light and it's really sticky. 13 grams. So let's put 13 grams on there. So food scale, you know, that's how we do it. Is that 13 grams? That's 12 grams. And that 13, that special 13. 12 still. Okay. 13. Now we're gonna smear it on. Oh, look, you see how sticky that is? Yep. There we go. It's called the Fluffinator, or the Fluffinutter, whatever you want to call it, but I'll go with Matt Stoney and call it the Fluffinator. See? Stuff is good. You know, it's like a peanut butter jelly sandwich with a little better. I got the peanut butter. You know, this stuff is real good if you like peanut butter and you don't want to gain all that calories. It's all good right here. Look at that. It smells right on. It's just like peanut butter. You can decide what the thickness of it. All right here. And again, this peanut butter is like 70 calories, and I'll do a review on each of the peanut butter. So now we got it. Look at that. Now I'm gonna take a bite of this. It looks sloppy as hell, but first bite. It's called the Fluffinator. Yeah, let's take a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sticky. It's better than a peanut butter jelly sandwich. I mean, depends on what you're getting, but it's pretty good. You should make it. Oh yeah. And total calories of this is like, altogether what I used, 90 plus 50 plus 45 again. So about 185. This whole sandwich right here is 185 calories. Exactly. Compared to a regular peanut butter jelly sandwich is like almost 300 calories. All those Uncrustables, yeah. You can have like 3 of these and it's equal to that. Oh yeah. That's the spot. And if you want to, you could put peanut butter. And I mean, you could put bananas in that and ready to go. And you cook it up.